Welcome to 21 Days EFT for Weight Loss Tapping by Vinali Date. Day 11, Replacing the Inner Critic with Inner Cheerleader. EFT sessions today, we are focusing on a transformative journey, replacing the inner critic with inner cheerleader. Each one of us has an inner voice, often shaped by past experiences, societal expectations, and personal fears. For many, this voice can become critical, filling our minds with doubt, criticisms, and limitations. It can overshadow our achievements, diminish our self-esteem, and hinder our growth. But imagine transforming this critical voice into one of support, encouragement, and positivity. Imagine an inner cheerleader who champions your every steps, celebrate your victories no matter how small, and gently guides you through challenges with kindness and motivation. In this session, we will utilize EFT tapping on specific meridian points. We aim to release the emotional hold of past criticisms and negative self-talk, making space for a more loving and supporting internal dialogue. Let's begin this journey of transformation together, fostering the inner cheerleader who is always in our corner, ready to celebrate us every step on the way. First, using the scale from 0 to 10, pick a number that matches how the strength of your inner critic, 10 being the strongest. Does that voice in your head whisper the odd thing every now and then, or they are constant soundtrack in your head? Sometimes our inner critic is so entrenched in our internal dialogue, we don't realize it's the critic speaking to us. The inner critic also disguises itself as our friend, the kind of friend who says, "I'm telling you this because I care about your happiness. You really need to get back to the gym and do something about your workouts." So how can you tell when your inner critic is having a go at you yet again? When you sleep through the alarm and miss the early gym class, it's your inner critic who makes you feel bad about it, while suggesting they are only telling you that for your own good. Your inner cheerleader would tell you that you were right to sleep in because your body obviously needed the extra rest. When you look into the mirror and your hair and makeup looks fantastic, it is your inner critic who dismisses that and whispers, "Yes, that's your thighs are still fat." Your inner cheerleader will say, "Wow, you look fabulous. Your eyes are so beautiful and I love your hair like that." So pick a number and remember we ideally want to tap onto an issue until the number drops to somewhere between 0 to 3. Even if you don't get it all the way to 0 today, you may find the remaining energetic residue works its way out after a sleep cycle. Once you have your number, start by tapping onto the karate chop point on the side of your hand and say the following out loud. "Despite the presence of persistent and disruptive inner critic within me, I fully embrace and love myself. Even in the face of this harsh internal voice that always breeds anxiety, guilt, and feelings of inadequacy, I deeply cherish and accept who I am. In between the unyielding judgment from my inner critic on every action and every word, I opt for self-compassion, allowing myself to unwind and forgive." Take a pause and take a deep breath and continue tapping around the face and body, starting with the point at the start of any one or both eyebrows. As you type on the eyebrow point, a relentless critic resides in my thoughts. Tap on the side of the eyes. Constantly, this voice whispers of me being overweight and insufficient. Tap on the under eyes. It's as if a broken record plays in my mind, struck on a harsh reality. Under the nose. It's reminding me that I never quite measure up. Tap on the chin. Not slim enough. Tap on the collarbone, not attractive enough. Tap under the armpit, not alluring enough. Tap on the top of the head. Not intelligent enough. Tap on the eyebrow point. Not humorous enough. Tap on the side of the eyes. Not wise enough. Tap under the eyes. Not driven enough. Under the nose. Not considerate enough. Tap on the chin. The criticisms seems endless. Tap on the collarbone. According to this merciless voice. Tap under the armpit. It proclaims I fall short of the mark. On the top of your head. It insinuates only thinness will suffice. Tap on the eyebrow point. Yet claims I will never achieve even that. Side of the eyes. Destined to fail as it insists I always do. Under the eyes. Labeling me a perpetual failure. Under the nose. This voice so quick to judge. At the chin point. You shouldn't indulge its scolds. Tap on the collarbone. You have skimmed on exercise. It betrays. Under the armpit. Urging me to rise, cleanse, exercise, connect, to do more, be more. Top of the head. And then it justifies its harshness as for my own benefit. Eyebrow point. Asserting it's a bearer of tough love. Side of the eyes. Who else will tell you these hard truths? It challenges. Under the eyes. Claiming it desires my best. Under the nose. Insisting on its harsh guidance as a form of motivation. Tap on the chin. Yet, what if its presence only deepens the struggle? Collarbone. Perhaps it's time to silence this voice once and for all. Pause for a moment, close your eyes and take a deep long inhale and exhale through the mouth. Give yourself a couple of seconds to consider anything that came up for you while you were tapping. Any old memories, grudges, emotions. If you want to pause the video, just tap on anything else for as long as you need to and then continue. Tapping on the eyebrow point. I'm utterly tired of heeding this nonsensical inner critic. Tap on the side of the eyes. Exhausted by its endless chatter about my flaws. Tap under the eyes. Honestly, this inner critic couldn't be more tedious. Under the nose. It's about time to dial down the critic noise. Tap on the chin. Can I just shut this voice down? Tapping on the collarbone. Naming my inner critic, let's call it Usha or any name you prefer. Under the armpit, Usha, it's high time you took a break. Tapping on the top of the head. Now let's amplify the voice of my inner supporter. Tap on the eyebrow point. My inner supporter is a blast. Side of the eye. Let's name her Maya or any name you find inspirational. Under the eyes. Life's brighter with her commentary. Under the nose. Her encouragement is like a breath of fresh air. Tap on the chin. She always spots the silver lining. Collarbone. She's quick to command by efforts and achievements. Under the armpit. Noticing even the smallest details of my appearance. Top of the head. She exclaims, wow, you're absolutely nailing it today. Eyebrow point. Why was I ever listening to Usha? Side of the eyes. When Maya's empowering voice was waiting to uplift me. Under the eyes. Usha's advice is utterly lackluster. Under the nose. Constantly down in the dumps. Tap on the chin. That's it. I am over it. Collarbone. Usha needs to find a new place to dwell. Under the eyes. Time for Maya's wisdom to take center stage. Tap on the top of the head. Usha's resign left me feeling unworthy and defeated. Eyebrow point. Enough of that nonsense. Side of the eyes. Maya, I am set for grand adventures. Under the eyes. Maya, my incredible inner motivator. Under the nose. She's endlessly entertaining. Tap on the chin. Should Usha strike to sneak back? Tap on the collarbone. I will firmly remind her her time is up. Under the armpit. Perhaps Usha thought she was helping. Top of the head. Yet this help falls short of what I need. Eyebrow point. Usha's insights are too flawed to be beneficial. Side of the eyes. Maya is insightful, witty and wise. Under the eyes. She assures me of my brilliance and charm. Under the nose. According to Maya, I'm stunning, intelligent and capable. Chin. Maya believes I can achieve anything I want to. Tap on the collarbone. She assures me the world is ripe with possibilities. Under the armpit. And she's absolutely correct. Top of the head. Now it's only Maya's voice I tune into. Pause for a moment, close your eyes and take a deep long inhale and exhale. If you feel called to continue tapping positive statements, take some time to do that until you feel finished. A good sign of being finished is when you naturally want to take some extra breaths or if you yawn. When you're bringing the session to end, tap on the right edge of the fingernails of left hand one by one and say, as you tap on the thumbnail, within me lies a segment that understands the essence of navigating daily life under the guidance of my inner cheerleader, leaving the inner critic behind. Tap on the index. Now, this segment is enlightening the entirety of my being. Tap on the middle finger. The transmission of this profound knowledge is currently unfolding. Tap on the ring, effortlessly and with poise. Tap on the little finger. The exchange of this wisdom has now been fully actualized. Now, with your eyes closed, cross your hands over your chest. Take a deep breath and say transform in your mind's eye. Imagine this new knowledge of how to live with an inner cheerleader is pouring into every cell of your physical and energetic bodies until your whole being vibrates with this new frequency. Take the time to visualize this happening. Watch as every cell of your body absorbs and reflects this new information. Watch your cell release the old patterns and witness the new choices being encoded into your DNA. Slowly, open your eyes onto the world in which you no longer listen to your stupid and boring inner critic. Well done. Day 11 is complete. Go back to your number you had at the start of the session and see if it has shifted. If not, keep tapping on whatever came up for you if you feel called to do so. Repeat the script as often as you feel is helpful and tap on anything that comes up as a result, especially any memories, emotions, or aha moments. And I'll see you on day 12.